So today we are going to learn how to take your link for your website and add it to your Instagram page so others will be able to click and go directly to whatever page it is that you're wanting to send them to. So, assuming you don't know what your page is, we're going to open up your Seint app and we're going to go to business. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find your back office. Now, you should be logged in. If you're not, please do. Okay? So this is what you should see. So I just went to account and you should see it at the top. So that right there tells you what your link is. So if you weren't sure, you forgot, it's that right there. Now in app, it's going to lock it. But now you know what that link is. And that's what you need to know. So now we're going to head over to Instagram. And you're on your home. And then you're going to hit your account page. And you're going to go to edit profile. Now you have a links section. So if you need to add an internal link, which is what we are doing, if you just want your Seint, you're going to click add an external link. And then you're going to put in your link. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Okay, and then give it a title. Now, from what I've noticed, it doesn't matter what I put as a title. That's more for my purpose because what everybody else is seeing is still going to be the actual URL for that. So I can just put my Seint shop. Okay, and then you click done. And then you're going to go back to your page, and then you're going to see mine now says one more. So the links are going to show up at the bottom of the page. Now, I will be doing a video that shows you how to create this Canva site, which is the all I have to offer link. And then the second one is that Seint shop. So now they can click that and they're going to be sent directly to your page. Now, if you're one that wants them to go directly to the party, then you would just use that link from your party versus doing that on your main Seint page. And you're going to go manage parties. Okay, then you're going to click the party that you have open. And then you're going to find your link. And then you're just going to copy link. You're going to go back to Instagram. And we are going to edit profile again. We're going to go to links. We're going to go to my Seint shop. We're going to delete that. Paste this one. Done. And so that way now, when they go to that link, my Seint shop, they're in the party. So they are going, so whatever they purchase, that's going to get added to your party. So that's the way you want to do that. And then you've got a direct link to your Seint party shop. So it's that simple. I know it may not seem, especially if you don't know how to just access into your app, but if you got the access to your app, you have a way of finding all the links that you need. If you need any help, just reach out to me and I will give you some one-on-one if I can. You guys have a great day.